Hello, this is Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer some frequently asked questions. How do sliding doors affect the aesthetics of your home? If you're trying to enhance your home, a sliding door can get you there very quickly, but not all sliding doors are created equal. So be very careful when purchasing a sliding door. I would highly recommend visiting either a home or a showroom and physically touching and sliding the door. Here at Love That Door, we use a system called a lift and slide or an easy slide system. This is a very slimline profile window. It's going to match the aesthetics of your home, but it's also going to be a very easy slide. You can do one panel up to 13 feet wide and 8 feet tall. That's one panel, and you will be able to slide it with just only a finger, left or right. Also, you want to look for a multi-slide unit. That means every panel moves left to right. It doesn't matter if it's a 3-panel, it doesn't matter if it's a 4-panel, 5-panel, or 6-panel. Our maximum slider length is 46 feet. So you can have any sliding door you want up to 46 feet, and each panel can be up to 13 feet wide. If you would like to learn more, please visit lovethatdoor.com.